Making money on eBay. You have your business set up, your name chosen, you are signed up and registered. Now, what do you need to be making money on eBay? When you first start out making money on eBay, you need to decide on a product that you would like to sell. It is suggested that you start by choosing one type of product. This will allow you to become an expert with them so you can advertise and sell them effectively. You will want to expand your product line as you become more effective in online marketing. You can try different selling and advertising methods until you find what works the best for your particular product or products. You will want to limit the number of items you place on auctions. The goal for making money on eBay is to sell your items at the highest possible price. If you are selling several of the same things at the same time, it will be much harder to get a high price for them. Finding quality and unique items to sell for making money on eBay can be difficult as eBay gets more popular. Some sources are estate attorneys who get requests from families to help dispose of the deceased items. Taking an ad out in your local paper and offer to take on consignment to sell could be a very good source of items and products. You will want to charge a small upfront fee and/or a percentage of the sale. By pursuing this avenue to gain products and items, be sure and check your state and local laws to be sure you do not need to have an auctioneer's license. You may also find items from other eBay sellers who have bought items in bulk or by the lot. They may have items they choose not to sell. If you make other sellers aware you may buy excess items of a certain product, you may have another source of changing items or products. A couple of important points to remember as you're attempting to make money on eBay. Make sure you sell only legitimate items. If you are selling illegal or counterfeit items, and the real manufacturer or another eBay seller or buyer reported you, eBay will cancel all your auctions. Do not allow friends, relatives, or even be tempted yourself to bid against other bidders on your auctions in an attempt to drive up the price. This practice is known as shilling and is illegal. Not only will eBay's fraud department shut you down, in some states the Attorney General will bring criminal charges against you with the help of eBay. To help you make money on eBay, you may want to promote your auctions. You can do this with a personal web page just to promote your eBay sales. You can also run an online store with links going back to your auctions. This will give you a more professional appearance on the internet and helps your customers a better idea of who you are. Finally, a very good way to assist in your quest to make money on eBay is build a mailing list. Send out email to your subscribers on a regular basis and promote your current auctions. Currently, there are approximately 430,000 people who are making money on eBay. This is because it is an efficient and low-cost way to reach 45 million people. You can see there are many ways for making money on eBay. It is not a get-rich-overnight excursion. Do not be fooled into buying guides that claim instant success. Many of these are just bought ebooks, or some are actually copyright-protected articles reproduced without author's consent. Do your homework, expect to have some expenses, make a plan and follow it, then you will be making money on eBay.